Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you a little bit more about the word bank tool. So one of the first things you should see is a search bar right on top. And if you search something up, like Gettysburg, hey, look at that. I didn't have to search up the whole word. So like I was saying, if you want to search up a topic, just like we did with the website, it'll grab a bunch of words that have something to do with the topic. So here we have a bunch of words
Custodian.
that have something to do with the Gettysburg Address. And now, if you can see, there's a bunch of tabs to the right of this tab, which is the text tab. And the tab immediately to the right of that is the summary tab. The cool thing is that if you're looking up a topic on WordBank, it immediately gives you a summary of what that topic is, just in case if you forgot. Or if you're looking up words, like we did with Abraham Lincoln, it gives you a summary of what you read in the website itself. And another cool thing is if you are in a different tab or if you don't remember where you got that information, right beneath the title is the website URL, which immediately puts you back to where the information was taken. And now, the tab immediately to the right of that is the People's tab. The cool thing about the People's tab is that it grabs people that have something to do with the topic. So since we're looking up the words for Abraham Lincoln biography, one of the first people you see is Abraham Lincoln. And the cool thing about this is that it grabs a nice little short description of who that person is. And say if you wanted more information, you can click this button right here, which says search. And immediately Google searches who that person was. And now the tab immediately to the right of that is the Locations tab. The cool thing about the Locations tab is that it shows you on a Google Maps different locations that have something to do with Abraham Lincoln. Isn't that really cool? In my last tab will be the numbers or the hashtag tabs. The really cool thing about this tab is that if you're studying for a test, it gives you the dates and different times of important events that have something to do with the person or topic or thing you were looking up. So like this, the first thing, 1860. In 1860, political operatives in the Illinois organized a campaign to support Abraham Lincoln for the presidency. So if you're studying for a test, and one of the questions was, when did Abraham Lincoln start his candidacy for presidency? 1860. Boom. You already have it right there. Not that hard, pretty simple. All right, guys. See you next time.